So friends, let us see this question. This question says a gear mechanism consists of gear A. You can see the gear A and the gear B. Gear A has ZA cogs, so number of takes is ZA. Gear B has ZB number of cogs. In the time it takes gear A to complete an A number of rotations, the gear B completes NB number of rotations. So we have to find the relation between this ZA, ZB, NA, and NB. So obviously, if the gear A is completing an A number of rotations, in the same time gear B is rotating NB number of times, obviously this NA and NB is not same, they may be differ, but the number of takes, if you see, in one rotation, this will pass ZA number of takes. So in NA number of rotation, total number of takes will be ZA into NA. See, this is the NB number of rotations in 1 second, and in one rotation, ZB number of takes will rotate. So in NB number of rotation, total ZB number of takes will, and they should be equal according to the principle of gear mechanism. So we have this relation. So from here we have to find the subject. We have to make NB as a subject. So make NB as a subject. So you will get ZA into NA upon Z of B. Please find the suitable option. So it should be ZA NA upon ZB. So option number B should be correct. Thank you.